Okay, let's do this.
I thought he'd never leave.
Rats.
Hey, can I drive the bus? Please. I'll be careful. I tell you what, I'll just steer. My cousin Herb drives the bus almost every day. True story.
Not funny. The car is coming.
Vroom, vroom. Vroomie, vroom, vroom. Pigeon at the wheel.
What the fuck?
Let's play drive the bus. I'll go first. Come on! Just once around the block. I'll be your best friend. How about I give you
Sorry, the picture was a mistake.
$5?
No!
What's the big deal? It's just a bus. Oh, dear. I bet your mom would let me.
Chicken.
Fine. Fine. Fine.